Hey everyone, I'm Erica Davis with Adventure Life Vans, coming to you from beautiful Idaho. And today I'm really excited to share with you our most recent build, a 2021 Ford Transit high roof extended all-wheel drive 350. We're excited to walk you through some of the features of our van and talk to you more about van building. So come along and join us for the tour. First, I'm going to walk you through some of the features of our kitchen. One thing I love about our kitchen is the 4.6 cubic feet or 130 liter fridge. Plenty of room to store everything when you're on the road. It even has a freezer, and it is a 12 volt, so it runs off of your solar. The next feature here is our one burner induction cooktop. So what's great about this is you turn it on, it's hot, you turn it off. You don't have to worry about it staying hot after you're done using it. And also, it's not built in. So what we loved about that is not everyone wants to cook inside their vehicle, so you have the option to use it outside. And this actually fits into the pull-out tray that I'll show you here in a little bit. Coming over to this side, our sink. So if you want to hide your dirty dishes, you can just put this cover on top. Nice deep sink here. And then this faucet I love because it swivels to the outside, so you can rinse something off, give your kid a quick shower. And then down here, 6 gallons of gray water storage. It's really easy to empty. I also love how much storage we were able to fit into this space. So we have these beautiful custom built shaker cabinets. My husband Blake has 20 plus years in construction, and one of his specialties, as you can see, is custom cabinetry. So we have these soft closed drawers. We also have upper storage up here that's nice and deep, so plenty of room. And then we have these deep drawers down here. So one thing I love about this bottom drawer down here is it actually hides the toilet for the van. It is on a 500-pound locking drawer slide, very easy to operate. Just push that down, slides out, and you can just use this toilet right here because it's on a 500-pound slide, or you can use it outside in a tent. So your choice, but it's nice and convenient and also safe because of the locking slide. Next, I'd like to show you how we manage our electrical systems in the van. We use the Red Arc Manager, and this is where you would also turn on the fridge as well as the water pump, and it has a lot of information here to help you understand what's going on with your power systems in the van. Next to that, you'll find the Webasto, and so this is where you'll turn on the heater to the van. And we stayed in the van in below freezing temperatures this past spring, and we're incredibly comfortable all night. The Webasto runs off of the gas tank, and so it's very efficient and keeps the van nice and toasty. Another thing that you don't see but is really important in terms of keeping the van comfortable when it's cold out is this van has Havelock wool insulation throughout the entire van. And then behind that, we actually have what's called kill mat, which is sound deadening. So when you're going down the road, this vehicle is actually surprisingly quiet because of that feature. And then the Havelock is going to keep you nice and cool in the summer months, and then nice and warm in the winter as well. So I want to talk about how we create airflow within the van, which is really important, both for comfort as well as for making sure you don't get moisture accumulating in the van. And so we have these 2 max air fans, one right here over the kitchen area, and then one in the back over the bed. And so that's going to keep the air flowing, which is really important for moisture control and also as well for comfort. And then in the passenger side sliding door, we have a window that can open as well. So a lot of ways to get airflow in the van, reduce moisture, and just keep you comfortable all around. The feature we probably get the most compliments on about this particular build would be our blued pine tongue and groove ceiling. Not only is it beautiful, but it really gives that nice, homey, customized look to the van. And in this tongue and groove ceiling, we have puck lights throughout for lighting that is adjustable on multiple switches and dimmable as well. In addition to the multiple lighting options, we have USB outlets and 120 volt outlets throughout the van. So after your full day of adventure, we have this dinette here for you to come back to enjoy a meal, maybe play some cards, hang out. It comfortably seats 2 adults. Our custom cushions are bleach cleanable. And then this dinette also is on a lagoon table mount, so it's really easy to swivel and get out of the way. The dinette also folds down into a day bed or a couch, so you have a couple of different seating options, or maybe even a place for a kid or your pet to lay down and take a nap. So next to your day bed or dog bed, whatever you decide to use it for, we have additional storage back here. So these drawers, storage cubbies, and then more upper cabinets in the back for additional storage and for you to bring all of your clothes for your adventure. And then behind me here is the bed. It's actually a short queen, and it has a custom mattress, so it's a removable cover, and this is a 4-inch foam mattress. If you're worried about durability, we've installed this 9mm LVP flooring. Very durable and very easy to clean. When it's time for your evening happy hour, we've installed this great little hidden drawer right here that slides out. As I mentioned before, you can actually use the stove in this drawer, or you can just use it for your drinks and snacks for an evening together with friends. Now we're going to cover some of the exterior features of the van and the garage. First off, we have our Fiyama awning, so great for some shade in the summertime, and also really just to extend your living space at your campsite when you're using the van. So now I'm going to walk you through some of the features of the garage in our van. So first off, we have a heated outdoor shower. So this Julka shower is powered by propane, and this heats up in about 3 minutes. It's very efficient, and it's a great way to get ready after you've had a fun day on the trails or hiking. Take a nice shower before you make dinner and enjoy the rest of your evening. Behind this cabinet right here, we have a 30-gallon freshwater tank. And then we also have this gear spray right here. So if you want to rinse off your bikes, your hiking shoes, your pet, great way to rinse things off if you don't necessarily need the heated component of the shower. Moving across here, we have 2 mounts for your bike. So we're really big mountain bikers, and that was a really important feature for us to not only have the bike mounts, but have them be removable. So they're on L tracks, which means you can easily remove these mounts if you want to put other equipment in the back of your vehicle. And then behind this right here are the electrical systems of the van, and we also have USB outlets if you want to charge something in the back of the van while you're getting your gear ready for your adventure. Behind this are 300 amp hours of lithium batteries to power your entire vehicle and keep you moving while you're on the road. Right here we have a shore power inlet, so if you want to stay at an RV park or stay in your friend's driveway, you can get power here to your van if you're not going to be using solar to power the interior. Next, in terms of our exterior features, we have this amazing and very sturdy ladder from Flatline Van Company. So if you need to store things on the roof or access your solar panels, this is how you're going to access the roof of the van. Up here we also have a roof rack by Flatline Van Company, and that secures our 320 watts of solar panels made by Overland Solar, actually made here locally in Idaho. So we really wanted to take both our love for adventure as well as our 20 years of experience in building homes and bring those together to create an outdoor experience both for ourselves and for our customers. We had previously traveled quite a bit in motorhomes, and while we really loved a lot of the conveniences that an RV has to offer, we didn't enjoy the complexities of maintaining an RV as well as just driving a really large vehicle. And so we wanted to downsize to a van but still have a lot of luxuries and enjoy that adventure and help create that adventure for others. I also wanted to share a few tips about for folks who might be looking into buying a van or building a van themselves. So a couple of thoughts that we've had throughout the process. The first tip we have is building your van to the 80% use case. So a lot of people can really overanalyze the little decisions in their van build or their van purchase. We really encourage folks to think about what are you going to use it for 80% of the time, and focus your energy and your budget towards those components of your build. One thing to consider if you're thinking about building your own van are the skills and the tools as well as the time. This build took us about 3 months working on it full time with really expert level skills and tools. It can be a fun adventure for some, or it can be really stressful for others. So while we know van building isn't for everyone, we're really glad that we can build vans both for our family as well as for customers to enjoy and really help people live their adventure life.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you hadn't noticed, we do sell an ebook for how to convert a van. It has over 190 pages of detailed instructions and diagrams, also 25 video tutorials which are specifically for the ebook buyer. Creating a van for many people is obviously a really intimidating project, but I really believe, and I've seen it time and time and time again, that with the right information, anyone can turn out with a pretty decent van conversion. So check the link in the description, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and drop us a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.